AC running but not cooling. That's one of the most common and frustrating problems homeowners face, and the longer you wait, the worse it gets. If your system is blowing warm air instead of cold, it's already telling you something is wrong. Ignoring it usually makes it more expensive later. Here's our most common reasons. The first one is a dirty air filter blocking airflow. Second, it's slow refrigerant, your system literally cannot cool. Third, thermostat issues, wrong settings or malfunction. Fourth, dirty coils, heat isn't transferring properly. Fifth, more serious compressor or electrical problems. Some are small fixes, some are not. Before calling a technician, try the next. Check and replace your air filter. Make sure your thermostat is set to cool and not to the heat. Lower the temperature setting to like a 65, 60 Fahrenheit. Check your circuit breakers on electrical panel. Clear debris around the outdoor unit or the condenser unit, and try resetting the system at the electrical panel by switching off and turning on back the breakers for your air conditioner unit and the furnace. Sometimes that's all it takes, but if it's still not cooling, don't push it. Refrigerant or compressor issues are not do-it-yourself. Trying to fix it yourself can make it worse and more expensive. Some people just getting die when they're trying to fix something themselves. Here's when you should call a professional immediately. Warm air keeps blowing, ice on the unit or refrigerant lines, strange noises or burning smells, weak airflow in every room, system constantly turning on and turning off, and these are serious warning signs. Most air conditioners problems start small, but they don't stay small. If your air conditioner isn't blowing cold air, don't wait for it to fail completely. Few service can diagnose an issue and get your system cooling fast. Click the link and schedule your service today.